Hello again everyone, this is just a short video on how to set up the speed camera options on the xgody sat-nav. So first you need to click into Tools, then it's Sounds and Warnings, and then scroll down until you get Alert Point Settings. Click onto this. Alert Types, click onto this, and now it gives you all the camera settings in there. So if we click onto speed cameras, now I've got this set to audio and visual warning when I'm approaching the speed camera. You can click this and disable it, you get no warning whatsoever, or you can have just a visual warning which will come up on your sat nav, or the audio and visual warning. You can also change this setting, which is the audio warning when approaching, or you can change it to only when speeding. So it's just a matter of preferences. And if we go back, then you've got all the other cameras that you can set up to whatever you want the sat nav to do when you're approaching them. So a lot of these you might want to turn off, school zones and high accident zones and things like that. Just run through them and see what you need, what you want, and that's how you set up your cameras. So that's about it for this one. If you could click the thumbs up button for me, this helps YouTube to promote these videos so that other people can find them, and they may be useful to people who are struggling with the xgody sat-nav. So thanks for watching, and please click the thumbs up button.